Welcome! If you're looking to switch your Discord app's time format to the classic 12-hour clock on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Discord update, changing your time format is easier than ever. Let's walk through the quick steps so you can see AM and PM instead of military time. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once Discord is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up your user settings. Inside the User Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the customization options for how Discord looks and feels. Now here's where you'll find the magic setting. Scroll down in the Appearance section until you see Time Format. By default, Discord might be set to the 24-hour format, which can be a bit confusing if you're more familiar with the 12-hour clock. Under Time Format, you'll see two options, 24-hour and 12-hour. Simply click on the 12-hour option. That's it! As soon as you select the 12-hour format, Discord will instantly update your timestamps throughout the app. Now, whenever you check messages or server logs, you'll see times displayed with AM and PM, making it much easier to keep track of your conversations. Changing your time format can make your Discord experience more comfortable and familiar, especially if you're used to the 12-hour system. So go ahead and enjoy your newly customized Discord interface. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or anyone who might need a quick Discord tip. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting!